Mariyappan Saravanan, known by the code name Changes, was martyred on May 29, 1999 during the Kargil War. Posthumously awarded the Veer Chakra for his bravery, Major Saravanan joined the Bihar Regiment in 1995 and was promoted to Major in 1999. His unit was moved from Assam to Jammu and Kashmir for Operation Vijay, tasked with capturing Point 4268 in the Batalik sector. On May 29, he led a fierce attack against Pakistani troops, killing 4 enemy soldiers despite being injured by the shrapnel. Major Saravanan's valor continued until he was fatally shot at 6:30 am. His unit captured Point 4268 on July 6th, contributing to the Indian Army's victory on July 26, 1999. On May 29, 1999, Nayak Ganesh Prasad Yadav was martyred during the Kargil War while leading Charlie Company in the attack on Point 4268 from the Batalik sector. Known for his bravery and high spirits, he was posthumously awarded the Veer Chakra. Positioned at the forefront, Nayak Yadav led a bold assault on enemy fortifications, catching the Pakistani army off guard and killing 2 enemy soldiers. Despite being seriously injured and losing significant blood, he continued to fight valiantly until he sacrificed his life on the battlefield, forever enshrining his heroism in the heart of Mother India. On May 29, 1987, Chaudhry Charan Singh, the 5th Prime Minister of India, passed away in New Delhi. Recently, he was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna, the India's highest honor. Serving as Prime Minister from July 28, 1979 to January 14, 1980, Singh is remembered as a champion of farmers and the only Prime Minister who never attended Parliament. Active in the freedom struggle, he later opposed Indira Gandhi's emergency, leading to his imprisonment. After the emergency, he served as Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister under Morarji Desai. His brief tenure as Prime Minister ended when Indira Gandhi withdrew her support. As Finance Minister, Singh reduced taxes on farming equipment, controlled fertilizers and diesel prices, and established NABARD, cementing his legacy as a protector of farmers' interests.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
On May 29, 1972, legendary actor Prithviraj Kapoor passed away in Mumbai. Posthumously awarded the Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 1972 for his immense contribution to Hindi cinema and theatre, he was also honoured with Padma Bhushan by the Government of India. As the patriarch of Bollywood's illustrious Kapoor family, Prithviraj Kapoor founded Prithvi Theatre in Mumbai in 1944. His legacy continued through his sons Raj Kapoor, Shami Kapoor and Shashi Kapoor and their descendants. Known for iconic films like Awara, Mughal-e-Azam, Alam Ara, Kal Aaj Aur Kal, and Rajkumar Prithviraj Kapoor remains a towering figure in Indian cinematic history. On May 29, 1953, a monumental achievement marked history as Edmund Hillary of New Zealand and Sherpa Tenzing Norgay of Nepal etched their names in the annals of greatness. Their conquest of Mount Everest, the world's tallest peak, not only symbolized human perseverance but also fostered a lasting bond between nations. This triumph is commemorated annually as International Everest Day, coinciding with the birth anniversary of legendary Tenzing Norgay. Under the banner of a British expedition, Hillary and Norgay embarked on their historic ascent on May 28th. Battling treacherous conditions, they braved a severe snowstorm and bone-chilling cold at an altitude of 27,900 feet. Undeterred, they pressed forward, resuming their climb the following morning. Scaling the northern peak, they encountered a daunting 40-foot icy rock barrier. With sheer determination and teamwork, Hillary ascended through a narrow crack, securing lifeline for Norgay to follow. At 11:30, amidst the rarefied air atop the world's pinnacle, Hillary and Norgay stood triumphant. Their names, forever inscribed in golden letters, serve as a testament to human courage, resilience, and the enduring spirit of exploration. On May 29, 1917, John F. Kennedy, the 35th President of the United States, was born. Kennedy's legacy is marked by his youthful presidency, serving from 1961 to 1963, making him the second youngest president in American history. His tenure witnessed significant events including the Cuban Missile Crisis, the Apollo space project, the Berlin Wall construction, the Civil Rights Movement, and US involvement in the Vietnam War. Tragically, on November 22, 1963, Kennedy was assassinated in Texas, leaving an indelible mark on American history.